Hi guys, I'm Katzel. Today I'm going to show you how to solve this integral. Okay, what is it integral first? Integral from 0 to pi by 2 of square root of sin x plus square root of sin x plus square root of cos x dx. Okay, like first, how we can solve this integral first? You have to think. See, first we can take the square root of sin x from the denominator. We can take it common, and we can cancel this and the numerator square root of sin x and the denominator square root of sin x will cancel. Then what will get? Here we'll get square root of cot x. It will be a little bit easier. We can think and we can do. Okay, square root of, okay, then what? Square root of sin x by square root of sin x into 1 plus square root of cos x by square root of sin x. It's a little bit more dx. Okay, now I will cancel this too. Now what I got? Pi by, wait a minute, pi by 2, okay, from 0 to pi by 2 of 1 by 1 plus square root of cot x dx. Okay, now what we can do? Like we all know that now we all know that there's a property that not from 0, okay, and f of x dx is equal to integral from a to b of f of a plus b minus x dx. This is also known as the King's property. We can use this to solve it. So I will tell this is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2 of 1 by 1 plus square root of what will come now? Square root of what? For x is what is to pi by 2, okay, yes, pi by 2 plus 0 minus x. What is pi by 2 minus, okay, then what's cot pi by 2 minus x? Cot pi by 2 minus x dx. What is cot pi by 2 minus x? Cot pi by 2 minus x is equal to tan x, which is equal to 1 by cot x. Okay, so now for this I will write 1 by cot x with a square root. So I will write this equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2 of 1 by 1 plus square root of 1 by 1 plus square root of 1 by cot x dx. Okay, now what we can do? Again, now see, I can multiply the numerator and denominator by square root of cot x. Then if I multiply numerator and denominator by square root of cot x, then what I will get? I will write here. Okay, if I multiply this from this, okay, integral from 0 to pi by 2, this will not change, of square, I multiplied, so I will get square root of cot x by, sorry, not 1 plus, 1 plus also correct, don't worry, square root of cot x plus 1 I will get, yeah, dx. Okay, so this is what I got now. Okay, Now I will keep this as I, and I know that this is also I. Okay, this integral is also I, this integral is also I. Okay, now what is 2I? I will write it here. Okay, what is 2I? 2I is equal to I plus I. Okay, now see, for this I can keep this integral, and for this I can keep this integral. Okay, so then 2I is equal to wait, I'll write this also equal to I. Okay, in this everything, this all are I only. Okay, 2I is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2 of 1 by 1 plus square root of cot x dx plus square root of cot x by integral also will come here now. 1 minute. Plus integral from 0 to pi by 2 of what is that? Square root of cot x by 1 plus square root of cot x dx. Okay, now see, they both are going from 0 to pi by 2, so I can combine this both integrals. So I can tell that now 2I is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2 of 1 plus square root of cot x by 1 plus square root of cot x dx. Now see, they both will get cancelled. That means now 2I is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2. It is this small. I am going to erase this. Okay. Pi by 2. It's very big. 1 minute. Pi by 2 integral of 0 okay, which is equal to 1 dx. Okay, now see, it's this very easy to evaluate this value. Okay, 2I is equal to, it is slanting now. 1 minute. I'll write it here. 2I is equal to, what is this? Pi by 2. That means I is equal to pi by 4. Okay. Now I is equal to pi by 4. That means what? This integral. Okay, this whole integral is equal to pi by 4. That means integral from 0 to pi by 2 of square root of sin x by square root of sin x plus square root of cos x is equal to pi by 4. 1 minute. Is equal to pi by 4. Okay, this is our answer. What is that? Okay, it's not equal to square root of 5 by 4, it's equal to pi by 4. Okay, integral of 5 by 2 to, integral of sin x, square root of sin x plus square root of sin x plus square root of cos x dx from 0 to pi by 2 is pi by 4. Okay, see, and I will tell you one more thing also. Okay, and like the integral from 0 to pi by 2 of sine power nx by sine power nx plus cos power nx is equal to pi by 4. For this n, it can be anything. It can be 1, 2, 3, root 2, anything. It can be pi, anything you can keep. Then also you will get this answer only. Okay, this also one important fact. You can prove this also by the king's by the king's property. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.